Top 5 record-shattering alien planets known for their remarkable characteristics. 1. Kepler 10b. This exoplanet, discovered by NASA's Kepler mission, holds the record for being the first confirmed rocky planet outside our solar system. It is about 1.4 times the size of Earth and orbits very close to its host star, making it inhospitable for life as we know it. 2. Kepler 452b. Often referred to as Earth's cousin, Kepler 452b is the first exoplanet discovered within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. It has a similar size to Earth and receives a comparable amount of starlight, increasing the possibility of it having a stable climate, and the potential for liquid water. 3. TRAPPIST-1 system. This star system is known for its 7 Earth-sized exoplanets, discovered by the TRAPPIST, Transiting Planets and Planetesimals small telescope in Chile. 3 of these planets are located in the habitable zone, making the TRAPPIST-1 system a remarkable find in the search for potentially habitable worlds. 4. HD 189733b. This exoplanet is notorious for its vivid blue color, which is caused by the scattering of blue light in its atmosphere. It is a gas giant located about 63 light-years away from Earth and is one of the closest exoplanets to us with a known color. 5. WASP-12b. Dubbed the Hot Jupiter, WASP-12b is an exoplanet with extreme characteristics. It is one of the hottest known exoplanets, with temperatures reaching over 2,500 degrees Celsius, 4,532 degrees Fahrenheit. Its close proximity to its host star causes it to be heavily stretched by tidal forces, making it an intriguing object for studying planetary dynamics.